Let us learn what is external iteration and internal iteration in Java. Before Java 8, we iterate using external iteration, using for loop, while loop. But from Java 8, we can internally iterate using for each method. Let's see. This is external iteration using for loop. What we do that, suppose I am iterating the list, so we iterate using for loop in this way, or we can use the while, we can use while loop. So these are called the external iteration. What I am, for the demo, what I am doing that, I have an employee class and I have created a list like this. I have a list 1 2 3 4, 4 employee. I have added 4 employee in the list, and now what I am doing that, I will print by iterating them, and I will print their ID, name and cell. So let's see first the external iteration. First external iteration, as we did before Java 8, using we use for loop, while loop, and we iterate like this. This is the external iteration. Now what we can do that, we can use for each method. Suppose I have the list, this is the list of employee. Now use for each method. For each method has every collection, map, set, list. So use for each method and use the lambda expression in this way. For the list, here we need to pass the consumer. This is the lambda expression, and then it iterates in the same way as we iterate externally using for loop. Look, it is iterating. And if we want to use multiple lines while iterating, we can do the same thing using braces. What we have to do that, use the braces, then you can do as you want. Suppose if you want to do some calculation, you can calculate it. Let's say this is, I'm writing some line, and suppose I am updating the same one. Okay, what I did that, I have updated the salary by +5. So now print will be with updated salary. It will add 5. Okay, so we can iterate internally using for each loop. Okay, thank you.